Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing video. It is my favorite unboxing video of the season, and that is my FabFitFun box unboxing. I love seeing what I get in these boxes each season because they are always full of so many great things. Also, part of my appearance, I decided today was not a makeup day. I'm working on my skin and clearing it up for summer, and my hair is, I don't even have words for it. The roots are so dark and so bad. I'm getting my hair done next week, finally, but pardon my appearance. So if you've never heard of FabFitFun, it is a subscription box that comes out quarterly or seasonally. They are full of beauty products, clothing, accessories, lifestyle products. Honestly, I don't think there's really a theme to these boxes. They are just full of so many great things. They cost $50 seasonal, like each box, but they are full of, I've had boxes sometimes up to like almost $500 worth of items, so I think it is totally worth it. They usually have a promo code for your first box to get so much money off, so I will look up what that promo code is for this season. I will leave it in the description below as well as on my blog. So here is the box. As you can see, it is a decent sized box. It always is, and they literally jam-pack these boxes. So the first thing that it always comes with is a catalog, and inside the catalog it will tell you what is in each box, and it'll give you a price point for each of those items to let you know how much they're each worth. And they'll also have some fun little articles, and depending on the products in your box, they have some articles on how to effectively use some of the products that you'll receive in your box. So these are definitely worth taking a look through. You'll actually find some really interesting things in these. In addition, they usually come with a coupon or promo code inside. I normally get a HelloFresh one, which is great. I actually used one of them and now I subscribe to HelloFresh. But this week it came with Bright Sellers $50 credit, which looks like a wine subscription. It says, take a wine quiz, view your matches, and experience Bright Sellers. Get your unique wine matches delivered. So that's interesting. So $50 credit for that, that's probably totally worth it. I don't know how much these Bright Sellers things normally cost, but I'll definitely have to check that out. So again, here is what is inside the box underneath the tissue paper and catalogs. So the first thing that I'll grab is this big box, which says Mason Homescent Collection and Solstice Diffuser, which here it says, let me see. It says Pottery Barn Mason Ceramic Diffuser in Solstice. Wrap yourself up in the scents of bergamot, geranium, and vetiver. And it is worth $59. So first item, I'm already getting more than I paid for the box. This is also perfect because I'm literally redecorating the living room like today, so this is perfect timing for this. So I'm not going to unwrap it completely, but this is super cute. You have put the little scent sticks in here, and then I have the liquid, which I guess is the kind of perfume scent stuff. I've never had one of these, so I'm sorry if I'm wrong. But anyway, I really like this little container that it comes in, because this is definitely going to match the look that I'm going for with my living room. So this is really neat, and like I said, it is from Pottery Barn and it's worth $59, so already you're getting more than you paid for the box. So next is another decent sized box. Let's see what is in here. This is the Terramere Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. So here is the bottle. It says, and pardon me if I completely butcher this name. I always get brands in here that I've never heard of but end up loving. But like I said, I never heard of them before this, so I don't really know how to pronounce them. Terramere Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and slows away dead skin cells. And it is worth $54. So this is really awesome because I love toners. I always say this, and you've probably heard me say this in some of my other videos where I talk about different toners that I have, but I always see this meme that says no matter how clean you think your face is, toner is always there to humble you, and it is so true. This spring and summer I've really been swearing by toners. I feel like they help with the dry skin on my face, they help with the redness on my face. So this is really great. So like I said, this is aloe and tea tree toner, 2 ingredients that, you know, I love having products that those ingredients are in. So I'm going to try this out and I will let you guys know what I think of it. So next I have this Hydropeptide Moisture Reset. It is phytonutrient facial oil, and it says here, the Hydropeptide Moisture Reset Face Oil, made with pure plant oils and rice bran extract. This blend nourishes the skin's lipid barrier, and this is worth $120. So 3 items in and I'm already up to over $200 worth of product, which is totally awesome. So here is the oil here. It says this antioxidant rich blend of a dozen precious oils locks in moisture and helps protect skin from environmental stressors and free radicals. Pure plant oils plus soothing rice bran extract thoroughly nourish and support your skin's natural lipid barrier. It says use dropper to dispense 3 to 5 drops in hand. Use gentle sweeping and patting motions to apply oil over face and neck. Maybe use AM and PM. So that's really great. Like I said, I am paying a lot of attention to my skin and my skincare routine while being stuck at home here. So all these face products are really great. They couldn't have come at a better time. Next is this Tarocco foot creams with Sicilian blood oranges. Here it is here. And it says here, Cali Cosmetics foot cream with menthol in Tarocco. A combination of menthol and olive oil helps heal and hydrate your feet, and it is worth $24. So this actually comes from the brand Cali Cosmetics. This is again a brand that I have never heard of before, but I am definitely willing to try out and excited to try out. Sicilian blood oranges, that is a different scent, but I'm sure it smells great. So again, excited to try this out. And next is a little beauty blender here from Makeup Drop. It says Makeup Drop Hybrid Silicone Pad and Blending Sponge. It says Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator. This applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish, and it is worth $20. This is also great because the blender or sponge that I'm using now to apply my makeup is falling apart. So again, this couldn't have come at a better time. And this is neat. I've never seen one like this. So it's got a silicone side here and then the sponge side here. So that is really neat. Admittedly, I've never used a silicone applicator to apply my makeup, so I will try that out and I'm excited to see how that works. And it's very soft too. So next I have this roll-on fragrance oil from Riddle. It says here, Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that is unique to you, and it is worth $50. So that's really interesting. So I guess it doesn't smell the same on everyone. It even has a little question mark on the top here. So I've never tried anything like this. If you have, let me know what you think of it. Maybe I will try and apply some to myself and then apply some to my husband and see if they smell different on each of us. That is really, really interesting. Like, it doesn't really smell like anything. Oh, it kind of does now. That's interesting. I'll have to try this out and let you guys know what I think. And if you have already, please let me know what you think. So next I have this case from Tom's, which I believe it feels like sunglasses. Yes, so it is a pair of super cute sunglasses, which I was definitely in need of, so this is awesome. They're really cute. I like these a lot. I like oversized like sunglasses, and these kind of have a cat eye to them too, which is really awesome. And they feel really good quality. So it says here, the Tom Sydney sunglasses, the oversized and slightly cat eye frames make for a classic shape to add to your collection, and they're worth $58. So this is really a good box so far. Super cute, and I know I'll use these like every day. So down to the last item, it is the Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray, which is great for the summer. It says here, the Lifestyle Company Beach Mist. Reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. Is worth $42. So here it is here. That is a pretty decent sized bottle if you ask me. So I guess you just spray it when you are out in the sun, which I'm going to be out in the sun this weekend. So this is perfect timing for this, and I will let you guys know what I think of it. Let me see what it smells. Oh, it smells really good too. It has like a beachy scent to it, which I absolutely love. So this is really great. So I just added it all up, and of the 8 products that came in this box, it is a $427 value. Now, mind you, I paid only $50 for this box, so getting $427 worth of product is 110% worth it in my opinion, and these are all products that I know I'll use. It seemed like this box had a really big focus on skincare, which I don't know if they did that on purpose because we are all at home really paying attention to our skin, or if it just happened to work out that way. But in any case, I will definitely be using all these products. I don't think there's a single product in this box that I'm not interested in. So the products that you want to know more about, please let me know, and I'll be sure to let you know what I think of them when I test them out. I really love subscription boxes because they are kind of like a nice surprise when they show up on your doorstep, especially when you don't know what is inside of them, especially with FabFitFun, because there is just such a wide variety of things that you can receive in these boxes. Like looking at the list here, I could have also gotten a beach bag, a towel, like a beach towel, a wireless charging pad, a kimono, a Michael Kors passport wallet, a cooler bag. There is some sunscreen lotion from Kula. There is some shampoo and conditioner, a necklace, a satin pillow sleeve, a vase, which is really cute, an ice roller, some hydrogel eye masks, some Grace and Stella hyaluronic acid. There's really so much that I could have received in here, and they're, like I said in previous videos about these boxes, is not every box is the same. So if you are waiting for your shipment to come in and you see what I got, that doesn't necessarily mean that your box has the same exact items in them. For example, my mom also subscribes to FabFitFun, and I know she got the satin pillowcase and a few other different things that I didn't receive. But they also online have a shop that if you didn't receive a product that you wish you did receive, you can go on there and the items are like steeply discounted. So you can always add on items to your boxes. I know some of the other boxes had products that I actually have tried before or bought before, and I absolutely love them. One of them is the Dry Bar detangler spray, which I had received in a previous box and absolutely loved it and ended up buying it after that. A lot of these products I do end up repurchasing when I run out of them because I end up liking them so much. So if you are the type of person to want to try out new products, these boxes are definitely a must-have. And if there are any other subscription boxes out there that you maybe have come across on Facebook or Instagram or have heard of that you would like to know what is inside, please let me know, and I'd be happy to try and reach out to these companies and get a little bit more info, or subscribe myself and see what is inside these boxes and let you guys know what I think of them. And if you like today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post. Check out my blog at unbreakablebliss.com and check me out on social media at Breakcutter. And until next time, see you guys.